Insanity day 34. Make we talk about how me never did I do the workout them properly because I did afraid for come through on the boy head will live downstairs. And is this? What is? Is it that? Sweat a drip. When last is sweat drip on me? Honestly. Oh no, watch. When last is sweat drip on me? Long time. I have come to realize that yes, I get a piece of napkin. Sorry, whoever did expect floral towel, me just grab whatever is near, and this was handy. For the longest time, I've been wondering why it is that I'm not getting the maximum benefit out of my workouts. It is because I'm not doing them properly, because I'm so self-conscious about jumping on the boy downstairs head. In the middle of the warm-up, Mrs. Sweater drop off on me. What is that? And what am I going to do when I go back to foreign? What am I going to do when I go back to foreign and don't have a good floor to stand up on anymore? Nobody knows. Anyway, so onwards, workout good, it got good and everything. You know what I like? You know the something when make it where you do the hop squat, or where you do like 4 kick and something, and then like you do a hop squat and he's like open up, go, open up, go. Like the one day, me like the one day because me can do the kick them and then me can do like open up something. And yo, like the oblique thing them come out of the core cardio and balance. You know that the oblique thing, yo, it work. You know, like you wake up in the morning and your oblique are hot you, like it's hot in you, which is a sign that something good is happening. I like it. I'm getting results. The other day, yeah, the reason why my eye looks so, my cat sick, I did have to like climb up like in some bush, like hang on palm banana plant and like pull myself up on him something here. And while I was doing it, clearly I wasn't thinking about it. But after, I said, yo, my fitness actually turn up because you want to say, just mount up the hill fast. I want to say, I like a jump from rock to rock, like all of them something here. So all of the frog jumps and the globe jumps and them something they are beginning to pay off. My body is getting stronger. If you are working out and you feel like you're feeling changes in your body, please tell me. Either do like a video post or tweet me at More Mayhem or something like that. Share with me so I can know so other people get results as well. And after I did my workout a while ago, I was listening to my playlist. I don't know if you know the playlist, but if you don't know it, I have a playlist if you go on my channel and look for the Get Fit anthems. Yes. So I don't know if you know the song by Mr. Vegas, Bruk It Down. Right. So the Bruk It Down song requires that you have a lot of batty, like you have to have enough bump on them something there. Anybody who know me know that I don't have any bottom whatsoever. My back extend and crack. Next time you see me in public, you can check. I don't have no bottom whatsoever. However, a while ago Bruk It Down come on and I attempted to do a broken and I felt something moving. Like when we did go so, it wasn't just my back going like this, like a little bumper is coming around there. You see it there when me actually get bumper, I old enough to go hold me, you know. Because for the thing, there's something when me wear short now, you know. Imagine when me have bottom, you know, better then, or better pray that it don't happen because then I got sick for see me. And that, I want to offer everybody a challenge. I know that, you know, you have a lot of people who are very uncomfortable with their body, or even if you're generally comfortable with your body, you probably gonna have that one part that you don't like. So my challenge to you is this. Wear something that show the part of your body that you're uncomfortable with. For me, it used to be my legs. I was very self-conscious about my legs because them just like, them coming like Play-Doh, them just highly mobile. And then one day I look back at it and I was like, but this is ridiculous because eventually when you get older, you're going to look back at the body that you had then and be like, oh, my body was so youthful, the skin was so this and that and this and that. And I'm like, it's foolishness. All of this hiding this part of your body because you're so self-conscious about it. Eventually you're going to come to terms with the fact it's your body. So the challenge I want to offer to you is this. Wear something that shows the part of your body that you hate. Or if you cannot bring yourself to show the one that you absolutely hate, show the one that you dislike secondly. So if you feel so your arm them flabby, wear something like sleeveless. If you feel so your leg them flabby, wear something short. If you feel like your belly bang, wear something kind of tight. Like, I'm not saying that you should change your wardrobe forever, but just do it for one day and just give yourself that experience of feeling what it is like to walk around and own this part of your body that you're very uncomfortable with. Trust me, it can do a whole heap for you, and it might actually change your whole outlook on your body, because you'll be shocked what it does for you when you wear something that shows something that you're self-conscious about and somebody says to you, you have really nice legs, or you have really nice arms, or even outside of somebody else doing something for you, just you realizing that you just did that. You just took this thing that you were afraid of and you just put it out there in the public eye and boom, so it worked for you. So try that. Try it and tweet me or something and tell me how it go. If you don't do it, it's fine, I understand. Take your time to warm up on those things. I'm going to put the Bruk It Down video down in the something there. Wanna try and do it. Try and move them in the something there. See if you can get your bottom to work like that. Me just realize that me go look at bottom can do so. So you try it and tell me how you find it. Okay? Peace, love, work out tomorrow again. Bye. Oh, everybody please send positive energy for my cat Pepito. He's sick right now. Him have like lung collapse and all type of big things. So that's what I'm adding. So send positive energy for him, please. Otherwise, Bruk it right down now.